Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen and today we are doing a trunk club unboxing. And I have been somewhat obsessed with trunk clubs because they send me stuff that's in my size and I like clothes that are in my size. So they're sending petites, extra small, things like that. And things are fitting well. They are sending a great eclectic mix of things. So it's not, you know, top heavy, bottom heavy, you know, it's a nice mix in even shoes in there. So I kind of enjoy having an assortment and then you can make them into outfits, things like that. So I've really been enjoying my trunk club and am excited to dig into this. If you're not familiar with Trunk Club, they are a styling service coming from the store Nordstrom. There's a $20 styling fee, or is it $25? I totally lost. I think it's $25 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase, unless you have a Nordstrom card, which I do not. So I do pay the styling fee, but that does get applied to whatever you purchase. And if you are interested in trying it, I do have a referral code below for $50 off, and that was really kind of the selling point for me to kind of finally try this, just because I was concerned it was going to be too expensive. So here we go. Everything comes individually wrapped, so I'll pick things up and show them to you guys and then edit it all so you don't have to watch me unwrap stuff. First up, we have, this appears to be a dress pant, a black dress pant with a white or off-white pinstripe through it. Is that black or is that navy? We'll see. I'm starting to think that's navy. I've got my Fitbit's black. Okay, so it's navy, I believe. Anyways, and this is by Chelsea 28. Has a belt on it. And, okay, I like these. I don't gravitate to this type a whole lot, but I'm excited to try them. One of my favorite things with styling boxes in general is just there's a lot of things that I never would have thought to pick out or never would have picked out online, and it is so much fun to actually try them myself. And then I get surprised. I'm actually wearing right now a dress from Fashion, and it's one that I'd never pick out because it does kind of have a little bit of balloon sleeve, which I'm not usually a huge fan of. It's got this 60s styles vibe to it, and I really like it. It'd go like that. Yeah, so it's a cute dress. I like it. Anyways, it's an example of something I never really would have bought myself, but once I have it, I really like it. Okay, so we have this tank by Gibson. Little ruffle there at the neck and at the sleeves. I really like this. This is a Jen type top, and I'm excited to try this on. I've been really into kind of this like high neck, mock neck type thing. I like that it's simple, black. With Trunk Club, they do send you a preview so you can figure out if something's just really not you. I tend to not reject stuff just for that reason that I mentioned, that you just never know what you're gonna like unexpectedly, and it's like I like stylists picking stuff out for me. Okay, so this is a Madewell shirt, extra small. I got one of these in white in my last box and I kept it because I love it, and this is like a dark heathered gray. I'm kind of obsessed with this. Again, the simple shirt, but last time it was very affordable, feels quality, so I'm excited about this. These I wasn't sure about, but I wanted to try them anyways. My husband would make fun of me for kind of this elastic back, but man, that makes for a comfortable short. It's a denim, but it's almost like a chambray type material, so it's very kind of loose and flowy. This is also Madewell, so I'm excited to try these. These are different. These look super comfy. I don't know that I love the wash. I wish maybe it was either a lighter wash or darker wash. I'm not a huge medium wash person, but I'm excited to try these. Okay, we have cut from the cloth. This is the Amy crop straight leg. So I'm super excited to try these. I don't have a lot of straight legs. I'm dabbling in them now. It has a raw hem that is sewn. It's cuffed, but it's a sewn cuff. So I really like that. I'm excited to try these on. These feel super soft and stretchy. I'm kind of obsessed with them. So we'll see, but I like the looks of them. All right, STS Blue. This is the Aubrey Short 10-inch high rise. These look short. I'm gonna tell you right now, these are gonna be a big fat no. I like that it's a reinforced raw hem. I prefer this to a cuffed short. And this looks like my type of short if it was just a little bit longer, but you can see the inseam is just not there. This is the inseam. This, yeah. I probably won't be turning around in those. Now, this dress here, I have been super excited to try because it just looked so beautiful. I got a pair of pants in my last one that were this color, and I was kind of a little iffy on the color, but I like it. It's bright, it's vibrant. This is by Lathe, and it's got this slit here in the front that I just thought was, or is that the side? I don't know. It's got a slit somewhere. Kind of off in the front, off center. So I think it's really cute. It looked amazing on the model, so we'll see how it looks on me. But I am excited about this piece. Okay, this is by Halogen, and this is just a simple, it's a pink and green striped top. So definitely a different color than I'm used to, but just a nice simple striped top. And I don't know that I knew they were this colors, and I don't know that I love these colors, but we'll see. All right, by the Lucky brand, and it is this yellow top, this light yellow top. It has kind of a ruffle sleeve. It's a little bit more frilly than I tend to like, but I still was very interested to try it because you never know when this type of thing is going to be something that you love. And I don't really have any tops in this color, so I'm excited to give that a try. Am I saying that after everyone? I'm always excited to try these clothes. That's the fun part. Last up from Steven New York, we have these flats, and this is almost like a soft wicker material that doesn't seem like it's going to be very comfortable, but we'll see. It is very airy. It's almost like sandally. Maybe stick a hand in so you can see that. Can you see that? I don't know. But I'm interested. I'm cautiously optimistic on this. So, okay. That's my box. Again, there's nothing here I dislike. Even with me not rejecting a single thing, I like everything that's here. So, thank you to my stylist. Oh, my stylist name is Hannah, and I got her by using Barbara at BC Sales referral link. So if you use my link, you will get Hannah, unless I'm sure you could request somebody else if you didn't want her. But yes, okay, let's do the try on now. Okay, first up is the dress, and this is a hard no. First of all, it's very bodycon style. Second of all, it's just too small. I feel like a stuffed sausage. Anything and everything I ate that day would become visible. Obviously right here, it is pulling quite a bit. So this is a definite no. I think it's a beautiful dress. Oh, and the slit goes way up here. So I think it's a beautiful dress, but this is just, I like something more flowy than this, and this is just way too tight. And obviously, and again, even if I sized up, which I would need to, it's just this style of dress is more of a bodycon type style. So no, thank you. Next up, we have the Madewell tee and the shorts. Oh, and I do have the shoes. I remember to put them on this time. So starting at the top, I love the Madewell tees. Just a nice, loose, but still a decent amount of fitted, great fit. Love it. So it provided this one is on sale as well. That'll probably be staying. The shorts, as expected, are just too short for my taste. I mean, my booty's not hanging out, but it's just there's a lot of leg happening here, and then even with the slits on the side, it's just too much. So it's great fit, comfortable. I like these a lot, and if it just needed to be like an inch longer, then I really like them. The shoes are cute, but they're really just not that comfortable. As suspected, this kind of like wickery feel doesn't feel that great. I like that it's open and airy, but just not super comfortable. So next outfit. Okay, so here's my next outfit, And I have very mixed feelings on these shorts. So it is very snug around the waist, but like in a good way. And I do like the soft chambray material. I do kind of wish they had a little bit more length to it, but I don't know. You have this elastic here, then kind of this loose fabric. I just don't know. I feel like I need to sit down in these. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm a little bit too on the fence for these. I think they're a little bit snug. I think I'd actually go up a size in these if I wanted them, and then I'm a little concerned they'd be just a little bit too baggy and frumpy then if I went up in a size. So, I don't know. The tank is cute, but there's just nothing about it that's that exciting. So if it's super cheap, I might get it. Now, it's very long and it has a decent thickness to it, so I'm not sure how great it would fold. Since it is one of those more form-fitting, I'm not, you know, I don't really know what to do with it. But it's okay, you know, if it's super cheap, we'll probably keep it. So, next outfit. Okay, so I really like my outfit. I like this a lot. So starting at the top, well, this tag's not great there, but starting at the top, I like this a lot. Like I said, I like the mock necks. I like the ruffle. It's got good flowiness to it. Only thing I don't love about it is one, it is, I think I could use for it to be a slightly smaller, and then I'll have to look and see what the material is, but it is wrinkling quite a bit, which isn't super noticeable on black, but that's just something to make note of. Now the pants, I love these pants. I like that they are a shorter crop, which there's not a lot that's this short on me. And I've been hesitant in the past on this type of crop, but I think I like it. What do you guys think? I could really use opinions on these pants, but I think I kind of love them. They're very comfortable. It's this very soft material. So I am a big fan of these, and again, it may come down to price. All right, last outfit. Okay, last two pieces, and they're okay. So this shirt, no, this is a hard pass on me. It's a cute shirt, but I just don't think it's a great fit. I think it's just too big, and this ruffle is just sticking out too much for my liking. So not a fan of that at all. The pants are about a mile too long, and they're a little bit snug here. I feel like it's pulling on the pockets a little bit, so that I would have to size up in these and get them hemmed. So, but I think they do offer maybe a free hemming service on some stuff or free alterations. So again, I like them, not super in love with them, so it would have to be a really great price for me to consider it, because there's other pieces that I like a lot more in this box. So that brings me to, let's do the prices. All right, guys, prices, decide what to keep. Now, speaking of decide what to keep, so these bangs, I was gonna trim this morning, and then I realized, well, I've got a hair appointment in a couple weeks, so if I'm gonna trim them, I should do them there. Bangs, keep or stay, or keep or stay. Should I keep them or should they stay? No, should I get rid of them or grow them out? Should I keep them? I'm still kind of into them. I don't hate them. So as long as I just keep them properly trimmed, which I haven't necessarily done. So in some of my videos, it's like, oh, that's painful. Get your hair out of your eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and get my hair out of my eyes. But I don't know. I'm thinking about keeping them. They're still, I'm not hating them. Eventually I will grow them out. But for now, I think they might stay. Anyways, let's go over prices. First up, Madewell Whisper Cotton V-Neck Pocket Tee, $19.50. I love these tees. I love them. I had other people comment. It's like, I've got those in 20 colors. Well, that's probably going to be me, because I just think they're a great fit. They're cute. This will go with lots of, ooh, this would look nice with these shorts that I'm wearing. What do you think? Yeah? Yeah? We like? Okay. Anyways, like that a lot. Probably going to keep. Then we have by Madewell, the Camp Denim Short, $49.50. I think I was on the fence with them. They're unique. I like that. They're comfy. I just think I wasn't wowed by it. And I don't know that I'd feel super cute and stylish in it. So I don't think I'm going to keep those. Then we have the Flutter Sleeve clip dot poet blouse, and this is $79.50. And this was this was not a great fit on me, and I did not like it, and it's expensive, so no. Then we have by Chelsea 28, this is the multi-striped high waist wide leg pant, $35.60. That's a great price for these. But I'm still not going to keep them because I didn't like them enough that they're worth the hassle of potentially sizing up and then getting altered. I mean, it's a great price, and that's just sad, but we'll see. I'm having a hard time saying no to them at that price. Then we have the Halogen Atlantic Pacific ribbed tank, and is $20.30. That's a good price, but I'm just not a huge fan of these colors. I'm just not digging the pink and green, so don't think to keep that. Then we have by Lathe the scoop neck midi dress, $29.40. That's a great deal. It looks like it's originally $49, so this is definitely on sale. I liked the idea of it, love the model in it, just not for me, because even if I size up, I think it's just going to be too bodycon for my taste. So that's disappointing. Again, a great price, so that's cool. Then we have by Gibson, this is the Mother Chic Oaks ruffle trim date top, $59. I liked it. I liked it quite a bit, but I have a ton of black tops, and if it was on sale, I would have kept that. In fact, I might say, hey, send this back to me when it's on sale, as I'm assuming that's not a sale price. But, you know, it's like with as many black tops as I have, there's no point in me spending more on something when it wasn't a perfect top to me. So then we have by STS Blue, this is the Aubrey high waist shorts. I mean, they did an amazing job of sending me some sales stuff, or they just happen to be super affordable. Really happy with that. I don't know, I might actually try these back on to see what I think. I mean, these were definitely too short, I think. So that's disappointing, but I still might try them back on. I'm really a horrible decision maker. So then we have the by Cut by the Cloth, the Amy Crop straight leg jeans, $55.30. So for Cut by the Cloth, that's a great deal. And I'm checking everything to see if there's like original prices, because that's always interesting to me. I don't see original prices anywhere, but I loved these. I really, really loved these. So I think those are going to stay. Then we have by Steven New York, these are the Kicks slip-on sneaker, and they are $89.95. And I didn't particularly care for them. They just weren't super comfortable, so not going to keep those. So I've said a lot of things and a lot of numbers, and I want to make up my mind. And I think my keepers are going to be the green jeans and the V-neck, the gray V-neck. I think I'll just keep those two because I don't think I have any referral credit right now. So I'm going to keep it slim. Now, there are other pieces I would have loved to have kept. Great sale prices, great box, really, really great box. And I am just really happy that she sent me some really good price stuff. So that's it. That's my box. What'd you guys think? Do you agree with the things I decided to keep? Am I making poor decisions with my life? What do you think? Like to hear your thoughts. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Really, really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, do so below. Don't forget to hit bell notifications so you're notified every time I post, and you guys are the best. So hopefully I will see you in the next video.